Hi, my name is Purvesha. I live in Nagpur and I am 44 years old. I was diagnosed with PCOD, rheumatoid arthritis and high blood pressure, and my life came to a standstill. This is when my husband told me to take charge of my health. I came across HealthifyMe while searching for a health app. With the help of this app, I've been able to reduce 9 kgs in around 4 inches in a span of 6 months. My nutritionist at HealthifyMe is Alpa. She now basically understands my metabolism and designs my diet accordingly. It was not about what you weigh on the weighing scale. She always taught me that it's the most important thing is how healthy I'm feeling, how energetic I'm feeling. And my yoga guru Chaitanya, due to inflammation in my joints and arthritis setting in, I could barely walk. So from that level, he has now again got me to a level where I'm able to do Surya Namaskar, Sarvangasana and Halasana with ease. So he understands me better than I could understand my body. Like everybody, I also had New Year resolution, New Year plans, and 2020 January just decided that this year is going to be the most healthy year of my life. But in the month of March, due to lockdown, everything came to a standstill. It was gloomy around, so I decided why not make most of it. Studio sessions was something great that happened in year 2020, which triggered my weight loss, my inch loss, and making me a happy person altogether.